So this right here is perfect. It's just kind of like a rubber, not really rubber, it's PLA. It's a grommet. And it is in there tight. And it has a nice curved radius on the inside and outside, so it cannot come out, and it's protecting my wires. That's pretty cool. Yep, there the electrical panels all painted up. Now the paint job isn't terribly great, but at least when you touch them, your hands aren't filthy dirty, so that's great. Yep, just got to rewire that back up, and then yeah, wire up the light, paint the light. Getting close, so close. Wish the color of blue matched, but oh well. It's generally blue. At least the accents are, nice. It's not like, it's like I will enjoy using this machine because it is a little nicer to look at and handle. So yeah, having fun.